Yes. I would like to start with one sloka. God Saraswati sloka. Saraswati namastubhyam varde kamarupini vidyarambam karishyami vidyarambam karishyami siddhi bhavatu me sada. By birth I am Jain, but by life I am economist. I want somebody from Sanskrit to please translate whatever I am saying. Ma'am, please come. Because whatever I say, I want everyone to understand. Please come, ma'am, join with me. So, the topic which given to me is Sanskritam and Seva. This is traditional Indian language. Yesterday I was browsing the net. I saw total 18 university, Sanskrit university. Ma'am, you have to translate now. All are comfortable in English? Yes. Ma, you girls? Tamil? Shall I speak Tamil? I'll try. 18 University, Palgalikazhagam, Sanskrit in India. Then I was browsing the net. 22 State University Sanskrit. I was so happy that Sanskrit universities are there and Sir is one of the Vice Chancellor served in university. Then see, all the states, whether Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, all are connected with shlokas. Everywhere we recite shlokas, mantram, Koilla mantram, then we are reciting the prayer, all we are getting from the source of Sanskrit. Then recently, I went to Coimbatore. நான் கோயம்புத்தூர் போனேன் இப்போ கொஞ்ச நாள் முன்ன Sanskrit Bharati arranged stalls all over India to keep Sanskrit live. We people we are forgetting our languages. When I browsed, I came to know Sanskrit is main language of India. There is one city, one village full talking in Sanskrit. Karnataka, Mathur. Yes, I came to know, I was so happy. Where we are. Full English language only we are following. Why should we follow English language? All British has gone from our country. So I told Mahodaya ji during my talk with him, I am not going to use sir word now onwards. Anyway, sir word, madam word, I am not going to use. What we should use? Mahodayaji. I came to know today. And for And for women's sisters, we can use Bhagini. I am economist. I did my MA, MPhil, MBA, PhD. But in the Sanskrit language contact, I never came. Seeing so many people associated with Sanskrit, then I went to Coimbatore. I was very happy that people are working on it. By birth I am Jain, but we are all interrelated. Traditionally we are all connected. The thing is, language barriers. Somebody from Karnataka, Kerala, different states have different language. But Sanskrit connecting us. Main source language, mother of all languages I searched, it's a Sanskrit. So I am today 52 years old. From LKG till my PhD. I came across only one language, English. My mother tongue also I left in +2. நம்மளோட படிப்பு சிஸ்டம் பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்கு. They are not, they are not making us to connect with our origin. So somewhere miles to go. These people doing very good job that they are making Sanskrit alive more. It's an ancient language, but we are struggling today to keep it alive. So thanks to Sanskrit Bharati for giving me such a nice opportunity. I prepared PPT, but after seeing you all, I thought of sharing data, but after seeing so many youngsters, I changed my mind and I thought what is coming in my brain, I'll speak that only. And I'll try to have some notes which I prepared. Yes. My connectivity with small children, they are only going to take our language ahead. So, world level la pathina, world level la, Oxford University, UK, you know UK, United Kingdom, they have Sanskrit courses. They have Sanskrit courses. Why? The language improves our vocal. Then Harvard University, USA, they have Sanskrit courses. If I went to Madras, I am alumni of Madras University. We are not running any short-term courses, but the university at UK and USA, they are running Sanskrit courses. See, so much of research, RIG, on this language that it activates our neuron, it activates our brain cells, and it activates our memory. When I was browsing for this lecture, I came to across and it was very surprising for me. Then Germany, in Germany also research is going on this language. See, number not oda bhasha is Sanskrit, but see how people utilizing this. We all know Vepamaram, you know Vepalai, neem. It's Indian tree, but patented in America. Why? Because number one, nammaloda roots la we are not getting connected. Hi-fi society, show off, English medium school, convent school. I thought, ivlo dooram eppadi vandu Sanskrit padikiranga. I was during traveling with my father, mother, both my father, mother, I brought them. I was discussing with them, but after seeing so many young faces, I was so happy. So see, UK, that is London, who ruled our country for 400 years. They are running courses. Avanga course nadathranga, Sanskrit course. London people. Then Germany, then France, Japan University, doing lot of research on Sanskrit. Singapore University and Sanskrit in Asian Studies, sir. I was very happy. All 5 powerful countries, UK, USA, France, Japan, Germany, all veto nations. See, they every of the roots are connected are grammar. They are doing lot of research on Sanskrit. Whereas in India, we are struggling. And you believe pandringla, sir. I worked in 4 colleges. I studied in 4 colleges. I never come. எப்பவுமே நான் Sanskrit ஒரு சின்ன கிளாஸ் கூட நான் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணல. So my request to former vice chancellor sir, that curriculumல கொண்டு வரணும். Moral education classes சொல்றோம் சார் நம்ம. இயற்கையை காப்பாற்றணும் சொல்றோம். What about our languages? இவங்கள கூட காப்பாற்றுற கடமை நம்மளுக்கு தானே இருக்கு. So my appeal to this all young faces, you people have to keep this our traditional language alive. Thank you, Jai Jitendra, Jai Hind sir.